welcome back to Slime Rancher. Fuck. I forgot the name. What could I? I was just collecting this stuff and doing this. But welcome back to Slime Ranchers without my exploding blocks of doom over here. So we're activating this finally. Honestly, are you okay? Because I'm iconic by mistake. That thing's fully upgraded. Let me be alright. Let's go. To the ports. Ouch. That actually kind of hurt. You can just eat the hens. Oh, that's a good do. Got a hens. We should probably put this in there. I'm gonna go demolish that block that I just made. I know I just made it, but I'm gonna demolish it until I do it. Because we don't have one of those yet. Demolish. Coop. Some pink ports. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with these. What's you want? Yeah, hell no. That's not worth it. I don't think that's worth it. To be honest. Do I have a map? I had a map this entire time. Why did nobody tell me this? Why didn't someone just say I have a map? How did I not figure this out? I'm an idiot. I really am an idiot, I guess, actually. Ouch. That actually hurt, damn. Okay. Check my map. Where am I? There's always no point in staying in the cave. Cave's absolutely useless. What was this way? Oh, no, this back. Ow, jeez! Ow! That was not as smooth as I wanted it to go. That's a good feeling. Yes. I'm not just going to use Tater Blosper. I am not going to want those things Tater Blosper for. Saved you. Save you from the slime. This is all now goodbye. Goodbye, bitch. Don't look like that. I was gonna do something. I have so much hens. My ranch is over there, it tells me. I am iconic by mistake. I am iconic by mistake. Honestly, are you okay? Okay, anyway, I'm gonna stop singing. I'm gonna stop singing. I'm gonna stop. Let me be alright. Okay, for real, I'm gonna stop singing now. Pretty sure there is something to that cave. So we're gonna do it. There was something I remember going. I remember this is the part of the map. There's a key thing that from here. Run. Please no Pharaoh slimes. Where did it go? I'll save you! No. Oh. You guys have been saved. You guys are welcome. Oh, God, locked. I still don't open those. It's this way. This way isn't black. I know it isn't. I want some food. I have no idea where that thing went. Where did that? Oh, there it is. Idiot. Continue onwards. Slime? Let's take some. I don't like how you're growing. I've never seen these things before, so they're probably worth it. Speaking, I've never seen these slimes before. I don't know if I'd take some before they become food. I have no idea what the wild slime. Ouch! Fucking bomb. Ouch. Get some rad slimes out. That's pretty rad. Okay, yeah, this is only... I can't put this guy. It's going to cost a lot of money for this thing. Did I drop my torch for these guys? I'm sure we just need to hand him 10s for bleeding. So, goodbye. I'm pretty sure these ones are worth it. Like water. Here's some arrows. Let's take some petals. You know what? No, I'm not gonna talk to them. Oh my god, the wild is so dangerous. Well, no, nope, I'm not gonna fight your battles for you this time. You guys did this to yourselves. Bye. Oh, which way is out of this game? Got 2 slots for 2 new pens. This place doesn't have much. I'm glad this place doesn't get much blessed because this place is enclosed. There's not much water sources. There's most likely I'm not going to be able to save these guys if these guys get back. Nope, gotta get out fast. So I become slime food. Yep, going the wet way. To the witch! Okay, we're back. Finally. Let's get that coop. Actually, let's put these ports in. That's pretty nice. We should get some more rock quartz. Have you guys been eating? Apparently, yes. Rock quartz stocks are going up. Ready to sell these now. The the stonks are going up. What? Oh. I need to do it now. I need to do it now before we go down. The prices go down or wherever Boom floats. You get 12 things of food, which isn't that bad. Okay, so let's go make it my coop. Hungry Slime's out. I'm gonna get these 2 upgrades. Hello, chickens. This is your wife. Bye-bye. Just gotta get a corner now. Hello. You guys grow. Alright, let me go check the Slimepedia. Slimes. Slime. Veggie. All carnivore or anything. But just in case you get anything from one of the guys, one each. $10 for you. $15 for you. $5 for you. Oh, right. Guess we should put these inside here. Let's go. Let's see how good these are. $60. That's pretty good. We need to upgrade this though. I don't even know about any special needs we might need. Yeah, I'll need auto feeders. A pork collector is something we need to. All of these too expensive. Nope. Here, guys. Let's go make one more thing for these puddle slimes. Because we know the difficulties of those guys. Did he die? Go check if they need anything. And puddle slime. water? Okay, so they do have special needs. Yeah, I don't see anything about pond. Help these guys, I guess. I've seen water bottles around. Try to observe those. That's probably our best bet though, to get water. Where's water bottles? This way? Let me guess this way. It's like glass, you get the water. Listen. Stop. Let's go. We love Luscos. Luscos are the best. Yes. Yes. We don't want Gordos. Gordos suck. Ass. It would take you. I don't know where the water pools are anymore. There's a water pool like 5 seconds ago. Where did it go? Well, actually, I have no idea where that water pool went. Give me a second. Let me go find it. Found one. Let's release the hen. Because we need to grab this water. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to house those guys. I have no idea how to get water. So we're going back. Oh. I guess this is gonna be our next. Radiation 5. They didn't even grab and they grabbed my radiation. Okay. You were probably not the best idea. Because I don't know if you know only have one thing. Ports to put in for some extra money. We can hope we can get that water thing and then hopefully so things don't dry up and die. I'm still alive. I need to get more. There's so many roosters. Times 20 water. Water now. So get some go back and get our fish back. Let's go back and get our water guys back. I don't know what diet water means, but if you could put water in those food things, I mean it's worth a shot. And when you put a thing on the coop, then it doesn't matter. It'll stay there no matter what. So if you just take them out to the coop if they go to find another one that really needs to find another thing that if you go and keep them, we can just put them and just change them around. That's fine. What signs you cross by? Your ports are worth it. Go away. Oxides, all of these wagons. These ones are much more they're rad and I'm proud of them. Unlike you, I'm never proud of you. Did they enter Bloodline or something? Where are they? Yeah, radiation signs plus other signs just don't have to get next. Well, the only thing good of that was more radiation signs because they give some of the most money I can give right now. So they're one of the best ones. Where's the exit? There it is. Onward. It's time for a duel. This town ain't big enough for the two of us. Attack! I would. The day is I've saved it. I have did it. My duty here is finished. My duty here is finished. My duty is fulfilled. There's no fire signs. Well, that sucks. Home at last. What? You guys need this. Okay, never mind. It's me, I guess. Stay away from other poor. Collect some. You guys don't have. I haven't did, you guys. Here you go. Oh wait, we also got some light screens. I gotta put them back on too. Collect the ones I got out. And beg they didn't eat any quartz. Okay, yeah, these things cost more anyway. Oh no, they cost more. It's just the market's going down. Okay. Postlight. I bought a jetpack. You guys saw it. I bought it. Okay, we're getting feisty. Put them. On full. Just have all the carrots. Do you have food? Stop shooting food. Activate. Feed them. Oh my god. I'm feeding some of them all around. Feed them. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna pick up the fort by forts, guys, and then I have to. Could you? Oh my god. Could you go back in there? I don't need these. I'm just gonna got. Well, guys, that's the end of the video today. And I need to say hello to my WAD friends. They're very cool. Let me go say hello to my cool friends. These people are very cool. Hi, people. How's it going? And why is it so? Why is it getting hard to believe? What?